Bro, this boat was 85 grand. It says it right here. And you wanna know something? I'm $20,000 deep already, and I'm not even on the water.
Yeah, man, that's just the cover charge. You forgot about marina fees, dock fees, maintenance, gear, insurance, and taxes. Welcome to boat life.
Wait, so 85,000 is not just the sticker price?
Not even close. Watch this video before you go broke.
You know what? I like the way you think. I'm gonna sit here and watch this video. In this video, I'm breaking down the real specs and what you are really going to pay when buying a boat in 2025. So you're not blindsided like so many buyers are, so you go into the market prepared to buy the boats. Hi, my name's Zach and I'm planning to live on a sailboat next year. I've spent the past few months digging and researching so much, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what I found. Real numbers, real lessons, and real risks. Let's go. Picture this, guys. You see a boat listed for $85,000 and you're thinking, cool, that's the price I have to pay, and after I pay that, I'm out on the water. But here's the reality, guys. That number is just the entry fee. Think of it as your house. You bought the house, and yes, you can use the house, but you still have to pay the electrical bill, water bill, TV, internet, all of those bills. It's the same thing with a boat. So I built a very detailed budget on my own sailing plan. So let's break it down, guys, so you guys can get some information out of it. Guys, remember, docking your boat is not free. You're probably looking at $800 to upwards of over $1,000 per month. And keep in mind that if you're sailing to the Bahamas, it's going to be much, much more. Which is why so many people choose to live on anchor when they can. If you guys are planning on docking, I'd probably budget about $10K for this category. And although anchoring is free, it has some of its own challenges. In a marina, you're protected. Out on anchor, not so much. A boat isn't just a vehicle, it's a floating house. Things break constantly, and unless you're a full-time mechanic, you will most likely be paying for them. There's oil changes, rigging inspection, sail replacements, haul-outs, and more. Even the most basic haul-out can cost you anywhere from $1,000 to $2,000. A good rule of thumb is about 10% of what you paid for the boat to budget for this category. However, guys, if you guys are wanting to pursue this hobby more and more, and this lifestyle, and you guys want to save some cash, I recommend learning as much as you can online before you hit the boat, and then just learning and doing everything you can on the boat, because that will save you money and it will give you experience. Insurance in 2025 is getting pricier and pricier, especially for older boats and areas of hurricane risks. You'll need bare minimum, hull coverage, and liability. I've seen quotes all over the world, and some cruisers pay very little, maybe only $50 a month, and some pay up to $3,000. Me personally, I'm going to do a little bit more research on this topic because of where I'm going. Some insurances only require you to stay like within the borders of the USA, and they only cover you within the borders of the United States. So that doesn't really work if you're traveling from country to country. So I'm going to do a little bit of research on that topic. And I recommend doing research for you too. But if you guys are planning on getting insurance, I'd budget about $1,500. And from my experience, guys, expect a lot of paperwork and boat surveys before you guys can get approved. Depending on where you buy and register your boat, taxes can sneak up very fast. Some states here in the USA charge up to 6 to 7%. And guys, 6% of an $85,000 boat is $5,000. No boat is ready for ocean crossing yet when you first buy it, unless it's brand new, but even brand new boats can have their flaws. You'll need upgrades, safety gear, a new dinghy maybe, solar panels, a water maker, all these things you have to account. And this is just for the boat. This video does not encompass food, gear that you actually bring on the boat and buy, and so much more. This is just the safety side of things. Things such as a VHF radio, things such as a first aid kit. So many things that you guys will need on a boat, and that thing is that will keep you safe. So guys, I'd budget about maybe $8,000. It's a lot, but it's really important when you're out on the water. And then guys, just for fun, we're going to throw in extras, which we're going to put around $2,400, which accounts for fuel maybe and a few other things. Okay? So I believe, if I did my math correctly, I might not have, that brings our total to $134,800. That is $49,800 more then the sticker price. And you still haven't left the dock yet. Still excited? I am. But I am planning and I am saving, but I'm going into this with eyes wide open. I made this video, guys, because I was looking and I didn't find any honest reviews online. Like, all the things that I found I didn't feel were genuine. And I just made this video so it would feel genuine and real. This is just a hypothetical, okay? I am no genius. I don't know if these are the exact numbers. And as you guys can see, I'm not even out on the water yet, okay? This is just the hypothetical price that could happen. And for many people, it probably will. So if you guys don't want to end up like those two that we had at the skit at the very beginning of our video, then please follow what I just said. So yeah, I hope this video helped you. If it did, hit like, subscribe, comment, do everything and anything. The algorithm will love me for it, and it costs you nothing except for a teeny bit of your time. If you guys want to see how I'm saving from my boat, you guys can check out this video here, and it will break down everything from marina parts to dockage to everything. How I'm saving, how you guys can start saving, everything. Share this video to someone who you think needs this information, and yeah, I'll see you guys in another video. Check out this video. Peace. Wow, that video was really insightful. I'm really happy I watched it. Thank you for recommending it for me. You're welcome, anytime. I still don't have that money though. What should I do? Don't worry, I'll help you out. We'll pay it off together. Thank you so much. That'd be super helpful. What are friends for?